All right, what's going on, everybody? All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today you got me and you got Amber talking to you guys about Trojan Lithium Batteries. So we're gonna talk about what you get, we're gonna talk about how you install them, we're gonna cover all your questions, take care of it. But before we do that, we're just gonna address something here real quick as you look at me. Amber, what do you think the temperature is right now?
Christian, if it's not 110 degrees out, it's not a single degree out.
Yeah, we just picked the best days to film. We always wait till it's about blazing hot and muggy. So I'm gonna be sweating like crazy. Just disregard that. You focus on the batteries, which in that regard, feast your eyes on the goodies we have here, because you guys, when you buy some Trojan Lithium batteries, not only do they perform well, but they look real nice. So Amber, why don't you tell them when they buy some Trojans, what do they get?
You got it. With our 48 volt Trojan Lithium batteries, you get a 2 battery bundle or a 3 battery bundle, whether you need 60 amp hours, 90 amp hours, it's all in the details. With those batteries, you're gonna get everything you need for this install. You're gonna get a digital battery readout, you're gonna get your charger with your cart specific charging cord, and then all the cables that you need to get this guy installed in your cart.
Yeah, everything comes in the kit, makes it super easy, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through of how that install. Like I said, it's not in the cart, but this should get most of the questions answered, and we're gonna take care of that for you right now. All right, so like I talked about, we're gonna do a quick overview of how to get these set up and installed. We're not gonna go in depth on a cart because there's some other videos out there, but we're gonna give you a quick walkthrough. So first things with lithium batteries is they're gonna get set up in what's called parallel. So lead acid batteries get hooked up in series, not so with lithium. So with lithium, you connect positive to positive and negative to negative. So if you've got a 2 battery bundle, same deal, that's positive to positive, negative to negative. Same with the 3 battery bundle, right? You don't want to cross positive and negative with lithium, or else you're gonna have a big problem on your hands.
Would you look at that?
And they're expensive. Don't make that mistake. All right, so that's number one. In addition to that, you also have to get your CAN bus cables installed. Now, what's a CAN bus cable? That's basically a direct line between two friends. Your batteries are buddies, right? So if you've got a 2 battery setup, that's friend 1, your second battery is friend 2. They love to chit chat with each other. They want to see how their day's going. They want to know how tired they are. They want to know how much voltage they have. They want to know their amps. They want to know how you doing, right? So they have to communicate with each other because they're smart batteries. They're not like lead acid who are just dumb and they don't even talk to each other. These lithium batteries chit chat. So you got your CAN bus cables, and they're going to connect from battery to battery. In addition, there's one other friend they want to talk to, and that's the charge meter. So there's also going to be a port there for the charge meter that you're going to get hooked up. When those are all hooked up together, they can all talk to each other, have a great time. No one has to be worrying how the other one's doing. They talk and they can communicate. In addition, if you have a club car golf cart, whether that's the Precedent or the DS, remember this works on 48 volts only, you are going to need to potentially install the onboard computer bypass kit. Now again, this isn't every model, but for most models for the club car, there's an onboard computer that you need to bypass so that the charger can communicate with the batteries as it charges. So once you get those hooked up there, you're gonna get your main cart negative, you're gonna hook that up to the first battery, you're gonna get your main cart positive, hooked up to the last battery, and you are ready to go. So Amber, do you have anything you wanna add? Okay, guess not, so we'll see you guys next time.